had Ramiro out here from Blue Coast with his team. We created a new backyard here with some great grass, nice fake grass, and some pavers around the edges. Did a fantastic job. Take a look.
Yeah. Look at this, everybody. Green sand for fake grass for synthetic turf. Use my dirty hands, but I'm a hard-working man. If your man says he's hard-working, then he don't got hands like mine, he's not a hard-working man. Nah, I'm just playing. Check this out. Non-toxic green sand. If you're worried about some of that rubber pellets, it's nice and green. Alright, my friends, there you go. Real people, real reviews right here from my friend. You heard it. No fake news right here. You know what it is? Look me up, Blue Coast Lawn. Check out my stuff. If you want some artificial turf, fake grass, let me know. We can make it happen. Alright? So next time, stay safe. Say no to drugs. Later.
I was going for a high five. I didn't see this.
Oh, no.